Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to look at two common prescription bottles, and I'm going to show you how you can make it easier to open them at home. Now, I do want to preface this video with a disclaimer that if you have small children at home or even children that can get into your medication, you don't want to do this, but it's always a good idea to store your medications where children can't access them. So the first bottle we're going to look at has a top that looks like this. It says push down and turn. So you press down and turn and it opens. And if you look on the inside, it actually says caution, not child safe. So if you can see this, it's not child safe. So how you can make it that way is flip it over and just pop it back on the bottle. And now it's not child safe, but it's a lot easier to open and get to your medication. You just pull and it pops right off. This is good if you have arthritis or have a hard time opening bottles. You can do this at home and it makes your bottles a lot easier to get into. But if you're going to be around children, you just flip the cap back over and now it's child safe again, so you don't have to worry about your children being able to open it easily. The second bottle I have here also says press down and turn, but you can see the cap is made a little bit different than the other bottle we looked at. So what you do on it is, normally to open it you just press down and turn and it screws right off. But if you want to make it child safe, you can take the cap and press this inside part down like this. Get where you can see me. You press it in and you hear it snap, and now it's kind of recessed in there, and that takes the child safety feature away. So when you screw on the bottle, it screws on, but now instead to press down and open, you can just, I can do it with one finger. You just screw it and it comes right off. Oh, let me get my cap here. So now you got a bottle that's easy to open. If you have trouble doing it, you shouldn't have any trouble opening it now. But like I say, with the other one, if you're going to be around children again, you just pop that back up and now you've got a child safe cap on your container. I know this doesn't encompass all the prescription bottles that you might have at home, but if you have one that's like this or similar, makes it a lot easier to open at home. Like I say, just be careful if you're around children. And you can also ask your pharmacist as well whenever you're getting your medications filled and tell them you don't want child safe caps, and they can automatically set these caps to be like that for you. I hope today's video was helpful. If you have any questions, as always, leave them in the comments, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks.